It's okay, I wanted to get rid of that tree actually. My brother wanted to keep it. He's dumb. See, I'm blaming him for the honeybees because he wanted to keep it.
I got my veggie garden going in the backyard. I'm hoping they're busy back there getting my bees. There you go. All right, I'm in.
Thrill seeker.
Yeah, they're getting a little pissed off now.
So imagine my surprise. I come out this morning, I'm getting ready to go to work, and there's bees in my tree. Bees. So what do? I call them BeeBestHoney.com, and they came right away and totally took my bees away so I could go to work. Isn't that great? That's wonderful. And now my bee problem is gone. Peace. Thanks, Bee Best Honey.